Hi, first topic is evaluation, introduction to C sharp. Introduction to C sharp. What is C sharp? Why it is pronounced? And the things are like this is a new programming language, new computer computer programming language. Okay, this was developed by Microsoft Corporation. And this is like fully object oriented language. Object oriented language like Java, C++. This has new feature .NET framework with it. Why this is used here in .NET framework is like to build the component based software solution. To build component based software solutions, and that's the reason we go for .NET framework. This is more efficient than C, C++. Also, it is purely object oriented and it is suitable for modern languages also. How the modern languages it is suitable? Because it supports the web based applications. Web based applications. Okay. And the next is how the evaluation of C sharp has happened. Initially, VCPL and V. This was the computer language that was used and from which we came up with the programming language called C. In 1972, the C was introduced. The next is like C++. In 1983, the C++ was introduced. Then the evaluation in C and C sharp came up with ANSI C. From ANSI C, the next was OAK. Oak. Oak was the other language which we used. From Oak, that was developed on 1991. From Oak, in 1995, Java was implemented. Java was implemented through Sun Microsystem, and using ANSI C, the next evaluation happened is ANSI C++. From ANSI C++, this was evaluated by ANSI committee. From ANSI C++, in 2000, C sharp was introduced by Microsoft. Initially, this was used only with the Microsoft Windows based applications, but now this C sharp is used variously in every kind of platform. In every kind of operating system, this C sharp is used. Always you have how the .NET platform is described as .NET platform in which .NET framework is used and in that .NET framework C sharp language is essential. See, this is the programming language, and where .NET platforms, that .NET platforms has .NET frameworks, and that .NET framework always comprised with the language called C sharp. This is what the evaluation and how this is performed. Always the characters of C sharp. Characteristics of C sharp has simple, object oriented, compatible, consistent. Fifth is type, safe. Sixth is interoperable, modern, versionable, and ninth is flexible. These are the major characteristics of C sharp. Always this C sharp program has, it is very simple, and that is object oriented, and that is compatible with the any operating systems, and that is consistent in programming, and that does not has any flaws in it, and type safe is always available, and interoperable, that can be operated any type any way, and that is modern, that is web based applications. Versionable, it has so many versions, and it also improvises its version from 2000 to till 2020. The versions are there, and so many versions are available in .NET, and that is also flexible. Always it is flexible, and it is easy to usage also. Okay, the next is applications of C sharp. What are the applications of C sharp we can read is applications of C sharp. Applications of C sharp is, first one is console application, second one is Windows application, third one is developing web Windows controls, fourth one is developing ASP.NET projects, fifth one is creating web controls, sixth is providing web services, seventh is developing .NET component library. .NET component library. These are the major applications that are used. What are the application? First one is console application. Console application, Windows application, it is always applied through the Windows platform, and developing window controls are used here. Then developing ASP.NET projects, and this C Sharp application supports VB.NET and ASP.NET, and that ASP.NET projects are used here. That creates the web controls, that creates web control projects, and that provides web services and also the component library. Okay.